Well, a piece of Spencer Stevenson manufactured Royal Stuart China, dating from the 1950s and 60s, this piece, in the pattern which is number 277. Really pretty little ivy leaf design with this sort of wave-like rolling scroll around the outer borders, and just over 9-inch moulded square shaped tea or cake plate. Central round well, eared handles extending out I think to just over 10 inches. Really nice piece, lovely catching colour, this sort of pink ground with the brighter Barbie pink almost. It's not quite that garish on the ivy leaf design. It's really very catching. Royal Stuart, crown marks on the back, Spencer Stevenson and England. It's in fine condition. Just look at the glazed reflection in that light coming through the window, and same on the plate surface. Just a couple of little knife marks here where it's been caught with a cake knife over the ears. But apart from that, gilt's in very good vintage used condition. Nice rims, no damage on those, and good gilt retention. That's got a little bit of, it's not as bright as it was when it came out of the factory. This has been used, and it's best described as used vintage as opposed to mint or cabinet condition. But it's a lovely thing, and we've got some nice trios in this design, just one or two, and some spare side plates and saucers, because it would have been quite a popular design in its time, and I'm sure there will be a replacement demand for these somewhere. People will be looking for them, and it has got a pattern number that should be searchable as 277. We'll pop a link in the description below taking you through to the website listing, and this cake plate together with the other pieces are going on sale on the Vintage and Antiques website here in the UK for shipping internationally. Thanks for watching. See you next time.